All right, so this morning we're going to go over how to run an audit report in Medisoft. We are actually logged into a tutorial practice here. This is version 23, but they generally work in any of the older versions as well. So your audit reports are located under Reports, Audit Reports, and Audit Generator. And you'll see it says Template New. That's because there aren't any in this particular one except for that Startup Users option. But you can use this to run a lot of different reports to look at unprocessed transactions, deleted transactions, things like that. If you want to look for specific date range, you have that available here, detail or summary, and then chart range if you'd like to do that. But I'm just going to go ahead and select for the last month. Let's see next. It's going to say this template does not exist. Do you want to create it? Go ahead and say yes. And depending on which users you want to audit, you can select a few of them, or you can select all of them. That depends. That's up to you. Go ahead and say next. And then depending on what you're looking for, this might take some trial and error. You can pick case, procedure, if you're looking to see when a procedure was altered, when a patient was altered, etc. I'll say next. And then you can save this particular template. We're just going to call it test right now. Save it. Then you have the option to print, depending on what you've got here. You have the option to preview, print, or export. There's not a lot in here that's going to show up, but I will go ahead and hit preview just so you can see what would. Yeah, so there's nothing for this report. But depending on what you'd be doing, this can take a good amount of time. It can take a couple of seconds. It can take, I've seen it take 10 minutes, depending on how much data you're collecting. But this will report anything that the system is able to capture that was changed in your system. So have a good day.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again and see you on the next one.